Today I'm going to teach you a very easy way to make a flexible cape. This cape is lined with wire, that way it can hold its shape if you choose to position it in a certain way, so it is not as flowy as your regular cape. To begin, you will need around 2 yards of fabric, a sewing machine or just a needle and thread if you choose to sew by hand, pins, scissors, wire cutters, and any thickness of wire you would like. I went with wire that was only about 1/16 of an inch thick. If you prefer to use a cape pattern, you could also use one. Lay your fabric flat, fold it in half so that you only have to draw 1/2 of your cape. I pretty much eyed my measurements by just laying down on the fabric and marking where I would want it to end on me, but if you are using a pattern, there's no need to worry about this. Draw the pattern and cut it out. Now I forgot to film this next part, but all you are going to do is hem the fabric. Then, pleat the tops or straps of the cape by folding the fabric in on itself and sewing it. Afterwards, you're going to want to measure the correct length of wire by positioning it on the very ends of your fabric from one strap to the next. I bent it at the corners just so that it would hold its shape a little bit better, as that's the way it's going to be sewn anyway. Once you have the correct length of wire, you're going to cut the wire and bend the ends in on each other so that they don't poke through the fabric. The next step is the most tedious, but you are basically going to fold the hem over the wire and just pin it down. Make sure you leave enough room so that your zipper foot can still go around the wire. You don't want to sew through the wire and break your needle. Now when stitching this, I definitely recommend using a zipper foot, but because I was lazy, I didn't, and I ended up making so much more work for myself. My final cape after the basic stitching ended up looking like this, and I will attach snaps to the straps and to the bodice so that it just clicks on and off. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this short tutorial proves helpful.